7 years ago, our father brought forth on this continent a new nation, conceived in liberty and dedicated to the provision that all men are created equal. Now we are engaged in a great civil war, testing whether that nation or any nation so conceived and so dedicated can long endure. We are met on a great battlefield of that war. We have come to dedicate a portion of that find as a final resting place for those who were give their lives that nation might live. It is altogether fitting and proper that we should do this, but in a large sense we cannot dedicate, we cannot consecrate, we cannot hallow this ground. The brave men living and dead who strangled here give consecrated it far above our it can never forget what they did here. It is for us, the living, rather, to be dedicated here to the unfinished work which they who fought here have thus far so nobly advanced. It is rather for us to be here dedicated to the great task remaining before us, that from this honor did we take increased devotion to the cause for which they gave the last full measure of devotion, that we were hardly resolved that this deed shall not have dead in vain, that this nation under God shall have a new birth of freedom, at that government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth.